This is a quick video about the Fiat Bravo HVAC unit. This part was recorded with my phone. The whole process of repairing and taking apart was not properly captured by the GoPro, and the footage got corrupted. I have replaced some of the plastic actuator arms. They were broken off at the motor side. There's a repair kit you can buy for this HVAC unit. You just basically have to take the whole car apart, remove the front doors and the metal frame together with the HVAC unit. So here is a demonstration so you will know which motor controls which flap. I will provide the part number for the repair kit in the description of the video. The unit is the same as the Lancia Delta and the Alfa Romeo Giulietta. There's 5 motors to control the AC unit. 2 for the airflow direction, 1 for recirculation, 2 for driver and passenger temp control. You will have to drain your coolant and empty your AC. Under the hood, you need to disconnect the heater and evaporator before taking out the whole HVAC unit. You can reach the AC lines and coolant hoses without removing anything from the engine bay. However, it's not easy. For any questions, feel free to email me or comment on this video. You can get out the old broken parts from the motor by screwing in a screw and pulling it out of the motor. I got this repair kit from the Alfa Romeo dealership, but you can also find them on eBay. Thank you for watching. I hope to have this project on another car one day so I can record the whole process. Like and subscribe if this helped you out.